What's in there, Sullivan? There's tickets in there. Yeah. So far, Rudy has done it, and Jackson has done it, but it's here.
Who did it the first time? Because that's all I saw was the first. Yeah.
Oh, what did you get? He took one. He took one. Can I have it before you chew it up? Can I have it before you chew it up? Oh, good job. Good job, Sullivan. Oh, it looks like 13. I can't tell, though. I think it's number 13. Can I see it? How about if I give you something else in exchange? Okay, Sullivan. Oops, I dropped it. I dropped it. Hi, honey. What's this? Smudge up? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Now can I have the piece of paper? Can I have a piece of paper now? You get your reward. Huh? Tell you what, I'll be back. Get some tongs and get it out there. Did I scare you? I got it. Number 13. All right, good job. Good job, big man.